Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're in my friend's garage again, showing you his Liftmaster 3/4 horsepower chain drive. One of the light covers are down. It's a very nice opener. And as you can see, the big door does work, but I don't think the little door is operating. We're going to run the big door only, but not the little door. And here we go. It's a T-rail. It's not quite really loud. The door squeaks a little bit. It looks like that light bulb on the left side is burned out. Here. Let me close the garage door. And here we go. It does have a keypad, but I can't use it because I don't know how to open it with their keypad outside. I know how to use the keypad on mine, but not theirs. Actually, I can only use the keypad for the closing, I believe. But not for the opening. Very nice garage door opener. Okay, I'm gonna operate the garage door opener one more time and then close it from the outside because I'm going home. And yes. That's a cool Liftmaster garage door opener. Here's the keypad. It's not a Liftmaster, but it's a Chamberlain. And here we go with the closing one more time, and then that will be it. Let's see. The keypad isn't working. Actually, I'll close the garage door opener from right there. I'm sorry, the keypad isn't working, but I expected it to be. Now let's close it one more time from right there, and here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can you get the dogs close by you and give them a pet so that they're not fleeing around? Trying to get the dogs to not go in there. That's my friend's dogs. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm sorry I couldn't use the keypad, but I expected it to work, but it didn't. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.